why are you here at the launch of Unlimited tonight?
We are supporting Unlimited India with a donation. We started just now, actually. So in September, October now, we started to give the first donation. And we did it because we entered the Indian market last year. So and we thought about, okay, apart from just making business in India, you are confronted with all the poverty and all that stuff. So in terms of corporate social responsibility, we just wanted to support an Indian organization, or we wanted to support India on a social basis. That's why we were searching for an organization that is working in India, and that's why we support Unlimited.
Okay, and why do you think it's important to invest into social entrepreneurs?
Why it's important? There are lots of. I've been in India now. Just came back from India, and then when you see all the poverty and all that stuff, and you just know that there's so much corruption in the government and all that stuff. So it is important that there are people that are quite ambitious, and want to change something, because you can't really expect that the government can change the things in whatever time it will be. So it is quite important that there are people that are really trying to change something, and I think it's a good idea to do that in that way.